If you're dealing with skin issues during pregnancy, you're not alone. Let's walk through a simple 4-step routine that's safe for both you and your baby, because even during pregnancy, self-care matters. First, let's talk about what to avoid. Just because something is sold over the counter doesn't mean it's safe while you're pregnant. Your skin is going to change a lot during these months, and the products you use on your face do get absorbed into your bloodstream. That's why choosing pregnancy-safe options is so important. The first ingredient to avoid is retinol. It's often used for anti-aging and acne, but during pregnancy, it's a no-go. Set it aside for now. You can return to it after pregnancy when your doctor says it's safe. Next is hydroquinone. This ingredient is used for melasma and dark spots. It can hide in many products, so always check your labels and confirm with your doctor before using anything that might contain it. Then there's salicylic acid. High doses like oral forms or strong chemical peels should be avoided. But over-the-counter cleansers with small amounts are generally safe to use. Cosmetic treatments are also off-limits for now. That includes Botox, fillers, and lasers. Exfoliating treatments such as chemical peels, microdermabrasion, and exfoliating masks should be skipped too. In short, steer clear of chemical exfoliants. But don't worry, physical exfoliants like your favorite face scrub are perfectly fine. Finally, put aside products with heavy fragrance or essential oils, like bath bombs or scented lotions. For now, stick with gentle, fragrance-free products. Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's move into the routine. Start with a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Two great options for both pregnant and non-pregnant people are the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser and the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Let's try the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser first. It feels light, refreshing, and completely fragrance-free, which is exactly what you want. The Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is another excellent choice. It's especially good for sensitive skin, while the CeraVe one works beautifully on dry skin. A vitamin C serum is a wonderful way to brighten the skin and add some anti-aging benefits. If you're looking for that safe glow during pregnancy, this is a great option. Here's the Derma Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. It does have a light, natural scent, not added fragrance, but it smells fresh and pleasant. On the skin, it looks and feels amazing. All vitamin C serums can be effective, but this one stands out because it also contains hyaluronic acid, which plumps and hydrates the skin, leaving it radiant. As always, stick with fragrance-free and gentle options. Here are 3 great picks. They all feel fresh on the skin, have no added fragrance, and each contains hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and keep your skin healthy. Vana Cream Daily Facial Moisturizer. A thicker cream that feels rich and soothing. Aveeno Positively Radiant. Lightweight, great for oily skin with a silky texture. Neutrogena Hydro Boost. A gel-like consistency, incredibly light, refreshing, and perfect for dry skin. Sunscreen is always important, but during pregnancy, it becomes even more essential because your skin is more prone to melasma and discoloration. You'll want to apply a mineral sunscreen every 2 hours. A great option is the EltaMD UV Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 40. It feels lightweight, blends beautifully, and works perfectly under makeup. Since it's mineral-based, it's safe for both you and your baby. Stretch marks. Now let's talk about body care. Stretch marks are something many people get, pregnant or not, and they're often unavoidable. but there are ingredients that can help. One of them is Centella asiatica, which you'll find in this Kiehl's product. It's excellent for supporting the skin and may help reduce the chance of stretch marks. If you already have stretch marks, look for products with vitamin A and hyaluronic acid to help moisturize and improve their appearance. For example, Bio Oil Skincare Oil contains vitamin A and can make a noticeable difference in minimizing stretch marks. And here's the best part, you don't need to spend a fortune on pregnancy-safe skincare. All of these products can be found at Target, Amazon, or your local drugstore. They're safe, effective, and gentle for both you and your baby.